Math Standard 8.EE.C.7. Jamal states that ax plus b equal to a multiplied by x plus c given a, b, and c are not equal to 0. What must be the value of c for Jamal's statement to be true? So here all you have to do is to solve for c. So let's rewrite the equation by using the inverse operations. So we got ax plus b equal to a multiplied by x plus c. Now your target here is to rewrite the equation where the value of c is the output. So meaning this is the only variable on this side of the equation. Alright, so first we need to remove the a. Now parenthesis is multiplication and the inverse of multiplication is division. So to eliminate that a, we have to divide both sides of the equation by a. Alright, so this will be cancelled out on this side. So we only got x plus c. On the other side, this is also cancelled out. So you only got x plus b over a. Now next, the opposite of positive x is negative x. So cancelled out, cancelled out. So b over a is equal to c. So c is equal to b over a, which is letter D. So the answer here is letter D.